Hello everybody and welcome on today's video. Today we are going to do a bonsai video without any tree. We are going to talk about reusing your soil. So therefore we're going to need a few things: a barbecue and of course the bucket with all your old soil, including the moss parts, doesn't matter, a pan in steel and a big stone pot. We also are going to need a little shovel just to take the old soil and put it in the pan. Now, of course, if you use synthetic material, this might not be a good idea because everything could melt. But what we are doing here is very easy to understand. So I'm using lava. So it was formed in the middle of Mother Earth at a few thousand degrees. So it won't harm the lava. Every living material like moss and so will die, poor moss, and will become organic material. Of course, it's possible that some of this organic material will still be a little too big for your pot, but of course we have to sift all this stuff afterwards. I'm doing this only when I use the barbecue. I'm not lighting a fire especially for that. So nothing stays alive in this. And once this is done, I'm just putting the hot soil mix here in the clay pot. And of course you cannot do that in a plastic pot because, well, the results would be disastrous. Okay. And now the next bit. So this is the day after the whole lava thing is now cooled, and I'm going to put it in this sift to give it a rough sift. And as you see, the really thick particles and the moss, well, it stays here. So there's not a whole lot I can do with that. So that's part one of the sifting. And now I'm just going to take a smaller sift, like so. And this way I have my fine lava and my thick lava that I use for the layer of well, the bottom layer of the trees. In this pot, of course, there's really fine material now, but this again you can sift in an even smaller sift like that, and then, well, your soil is reusable. It's completely clean and it's okay to go. So this is how you can reuse your soil. It's a little work, of course, but I think it's all part of the fun of doing bonsai. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.